his name Ravenger 17X?
No, it's just Revenger.
His name is Revenger?
Revenger, yeah.
Yeah, that's his buddy.
Really?
Yep. Go back to him. And I killed the T-Rex, by the way.
Yo, Revenger. Yo, there's another T-Rex on the beach. He's outside killing a parasaur. Yo, Revenger. Revenger. Yeah, his name was...
Ravenger.
Ravager? I don't know. Where the hell did he go? He was just here. Hey, buddy. Hey, man. I'm gonna take you to your friend. Are you looking for Little Buddha? Do you have a mic? Okay. Okay, follow me.
Hold on a second.
Okay, there you go.
Hold on. Hey,
Lucifer here. Lucifer here will take you. Follow the green raptor.
Yeah, this is his buddy. Yeah. Alright, we're on our way back to you.
Hey, Lucy, do you have some cooked meat handy on you?
Yeah.
Yo, can you give me some, dude? I don't want to die from hunger while I'm out here. Like last time, I was so stupid. I'm back where we met, buddy. I see like this Fioya fat fuck. I'm at the rocks in the river.
I'm gonna put it on my mount. Just take it off my mount.
What the hell are you? I got you.
Buddy.
Awesome, dude. Thank you.
Yep. Alright. Follow me, dude. That is our hidden pathway to the base.
The base. You're down on a raid call. I don't know if you're supposed to or not.
Once I confirm that he's Buddha's buddy, B is the default key to talking game, but once we confirm this is Buddha's buddy, I'm gonna invite him to the tribe.
Make sure every person you let in the tribe know all the responsibilities that come with being in a tribe, dude. There's a lot of them. It's not like a handful. It's like 50 things. Like, don't take a mount out for no reason and get it killed. That's, you know, shit like that is completely unacceptable.
Yeah, absolutely. Do not get our mounts killed. That would be very bad. If they're your mounts, that's your thing, but if you end up killing other people's mounts, they're gonna be upset about it.
Yeah, every mount in the tribe belongs to everybody in the tribe. So, like, you have to take care of it. They're assets that we all use.
Except Shadowfang.
Except Shadowfang. You can access him, but if you use him and he dies, and you didn't ask for permission, like, I'm pretty sure he's gonna cry and rage at you.
Absolutely. Shadowfang is off limits.
That's okay. You guys can borrow my mount, I don't mind. As long as you don't get him killed, and you keep him fed, I really don't care.
Once we start upgrading to Carnos, then I don't give a shit. You can have my raptor, my little shadow.
Well, it wouldn't really matter, right? It wouldn't really be a main mount.
Yeah. My Carno would be my new main mount.
Yeah, dude. Yo, I can't wait to hit 50 or get those level 50s we allied with to come, dude. I really hope those guys...
Alright, Buddha, is this your buddy? Is this your buddy right here? Alright.
Oh shit, there's a saber-tooth. Oh my god, there are two saber-tooth. Yo, stop moving, Mount. I need to get on you right here, right now. Yes, okay. Can we fight these guys? It's a level 14. I might be able to, I guess. They are mid boosted.
Okay.
I don't know. I have no idea. Oh shit, I'm out. Peace. Peace be with you. How is my dude cold? I'm in full gear and the sun is still shining. How is that even a thing?
Oh, you don't want to get all of them to follow you. That's bad.
Definitely not. You gotta use the T and the Y. Don't use J and U unless you know what you're doing. Well, I've already got 27 metal. That's almost as much as I had last time. Actually, that's like 33%
Yeah.
more than I got.
T calls mount to follow you. Y tells them to stay, and then J tells every dinosaur that's in the tribe around you to follow you. And you never want to use J.
And U makes everything around you stop following you. He is the one you're literally staring right at, and you have his information state like
Yeah,
loaded
is this your
on
buddy
you.
right here?
Says that's my friend.
Awesome.
Okay, you guys
get him,
both
get him
need
on
to
the
get
raid.
mics. I hope he has a mic already. That mic shit is so important, dude. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, it's so dark.
It won't let me look at people like for options at all. Like what the fuck? Shit, my dude's dehydrated as fuck. God damn.
Oh my god, there's another friggin' saber tooth here. What the hell? Will you die? Please just die, saber tooth. I need the XP too. Got it. Gonna meet you, bastard. I was so busy. Why did you have to interrupt my work, you Mormon? I'm trying to make a torch over here so I can see in front of me. Where did Sabertooth roll? Do you have an accessory, Saber? No, you don't. Alright, give me your me. Dude, it's so hard to work on the mountain with all these saber-tooths in the dark. Oh my goodness. Is that a T-Rex still on our beach? There's a T-Rex on our beach, bro, and he's fucking shit up. Without killing everything.
Yeah, there was another. The one that you ran into, I killed, but then right across from it was another fucking T-Rex.
Yeah. Yeah, you should probably take that out, get some prime meat, help tame. Oh, here comes the saber right out there. I guess the saber-tooth killed the Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus loses to the saber, apparently.
Stego died from a saber?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Level 8 saber raped a Stego. Like,
wow.
really hard. Like, this saber-tooth, I've hit it like 15 times to kill it, at least. Like, it was still that healthy. That's actually kind of ridiculous. I might fight this Stego then. If I can kill a saber-tooth, I should definitely be able to kill this Stego. Fight me, Stego. We're fighting, buddy. Oh, I hear another saber. Oh, it's a raptor. I found a raptor, boys. Found a raptor. But it's probably... Yep, you're more than likely killed... Nope. No, I didn't kill the raptor, alright.
What level's that raptor?
I don't know. I'm about to find out. I'm killing a Stego. I hope it doesn't die. Oh, prime meat. If I get this guy started to tame, this is going to be perfect timing. Alright, raptor. Show me what you got. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Did he run off? Did he just like find something and chased it? Where'd he go? I think he just ran off, dude. Raptors are as erratic as a friggin' psychopath with ADHD and
Fucking
fucking
5-year-old high as fuck on sugar.
yeah, pretty much. Like, yo, they're erratic as fuck. He was just here. He came. He tried to get in the fight. I don't think he died. And then he just ran away and fought something else. Like, I don't even know. I actually don't even know what that happened. Yo, a saber-tooth is trying to fight a
See,
Bronto.
raptors are just that fucking smart. They're so fucking smart and bloodthirsty. They multitask and killing shit.
Yeah, yo, they're like, let's kill everything at the same time. Well, I don't really like going up the hill when it's this dark, so I think I'll just kill things on the beach. And once it's bright again.
What the fuck? I'm trying to like log back in, but it's like just stuck at something saying snapshot_16.
I guess we can go up the mountain. It's starting to get a little bright. This place is so dangerous, guys. I should actually, while I have lights and safety, I should get a little thatch and wood. There you go. And a little flint. Does this count? Yes. Okay. Now I have enough for a couple torches. That looks like metal. Wait. Am I hitting the wrong one? Oh no, this is a bad one. Oh no. It looked like metal from one angle. But it wasn't. Are you metal, buddy? That's flint. I don't think that's metal. Probably metal. Pretty big one for metal, though. It's metal. Dude, I am getting a nice load of metal this time, dude. I'm gonna get like a lot more than last time.
I'm still trying to get in the fucking server.
Oh, you DC'd? You disconnect?
Yeah, I'm just restarting the game completely.
Okay, well. Your buddy says me and him want to go out and explore. Did you invite Buddy to the tribe?
Not yet. Wait for me to get on so I can invite him to the tribe.
Okay, well, make sure he knows like the deal, man. Hey, is he on raid call?
I'm coming in right now. The new dude isn't yet.
Okay, yo, Buddha, tell your buddy to get on raid call.